We've got a dry commute this morning. It's going to be a wet commute tonight. Take a look. Here's what we're expecting with this storm. By early afternoon, rain showers developing. And then for the evening commute, it's likely going to switch over to a rain-snow mix, although light. We're not expecting a lot tonight. It will be light snow and cold into early tomorrow morning. But the roads will likely tomorrow just be wet. But that could mean with some cold weather that it does ice over in some spots. Right now, we're at 46 degrees, though, with winds coming in out of the southwest. And we'll be watching that shift of the winds coming in out of the north by early afternoon. It's 51 in Highlands Ranch, 50 in Castle Rock, and 47 in Boulder. So you've got a pretty mild start to the morning. Yesterday was gorgeous with our highs close to 70. Today we're going to start off, again, pretty mild. But take a look at what's, well, not much of a warm up. By about 12 o'clock, we're already going to see some gusty winds coming in from the north up near Fort Collins and Greeley. Here in town, we'll hit highs right around lunch at about 50 degrees. And you're likely going to start to see a few light rain showers developing by that point. And then it looks like that will continue through the afternoon. So by about 3, depending on how fast this front rolls through and how cold it gets during that commute, we're likely going to start to see a bit of a mix, which will again likely just mean wet roads for the evening drive. It then switches over to all snow between about 6 and 8 o'clock, and we're looking at some light accumulation between about 8 and midnight before things start to taper off for the early morning drive. So likely by early tomorrow morning, the snow will have fallen. We are going to get a bit more, though, Thursday, especially in the afternoon and evening, and highs on Thursday are only going to be likely in the low 30s. That snow will then taper off Thursday night into Friday, and we'll see some drier conditions behind it. Really, when it comes to the snow, it's going to be the mountains that are really going to make out with the storm. Down across southwestern Colorado, we're looking at likely a good foot to 2 feet of snow there by early Friday morning. So a number of alerts in place, including a winter weather advisory there in purple and the pink under a winter storm warning, where again, it could be about 12 to 20 inches. You get up in through those northwestern mountains, it's upwards of a foot, anywhere from about 6 to 12 by early Friday. And then it looks like our mountains east of the divide will be at about 4 to 8 inches as you get closer to Georgetown. Foothills likely around 2 to 4. And again, these are going to be totals by early Friday morning. Here in Denver, about 1 to 2. Likely most of our accumulating snow is going to be Thursday night. So our Friday morning drive will also be a little tricky. We're going to show you the statewide perspective coming up here in just a few minutes so you can see what the high country is expecting and also the eastern plains. But I want to show you that 7-day and just how fast things do then warm up. We're starting off today with 40s. We'll get to near 50 this afternoon, and then look at the next few days. Cold tomorrow, back in the 40s by Friday, and then Jason, 60 and sunshine on Sunday.